clip.
Yeah, it's like now two of them. It's not only Mama Ella. It's Grandma Ella too, right? And then... yeah, and then... wait, you betrayed the Taylor's family lineage and become blacksmith? I still have some part of it, like little part of it. Maybe if you're telling me that if it's about like tailoring, like from fabric to clothes, I cannot do that. But I really love menyulam. I don't even know what's that in English. Like the one that you use. Benang apa sih? What's benang anyway? Embroidery. I think that's the word. Embroidery. Yeah, embroidering. Because if knitting is like from the thread into like clothes, right? No, I don't really like that one. Embroidering. I think embroidering is the word.
Ding dang.